Hello everyone, welcome to the Fine Fit. Today's workout is for the middle-aged people who want to burn fat and lose weight and incorporate exercise in their daily routine. These exercises should be done by the people who are either obese or overweight or want to start exercising during this lockdown. So let's begin. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and do these exercises while tightening your core and your lower back and looking upwards while doing squats and looking forward while doing push-ups. And most importantly, stretch before your workouts and after them. See you next time.